Hello! In this video, we're going to highlight the idea of crumple zones and the impact force. Crumple zones at the front end and rear end of a car are designed to lessen the force of an impact. The force changes the momentum of the car. If the car is projected to a front-end impact, for example, the car hits a tree or a wall, the momentum of the car is reduced. This car is made to stop by the effect of this impact. However, in a rear-end impact, for example, where a vehicle is stuck from behind by another vehicle, the momentum of the car is increased. This car or the other vehicle that hits the car increases its velocity. In both cases, the effect of a crumple zone is to increase the impact time and so lessen the impact force. Follow us to the second video to know why does making the impact time longer reduce the impact force.